Okay, hello everyone. I'm gonna play some drama thing because I was watching way too many horror games. So I need to change my picture. No, I don't know any of these people. See if I can change this. I don't wanna guess. I'm doing something, bro. There we go. No, I'm all good. It's all good. Not gonna die. Toilet. Something. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I don't know what this is. No, I still don't know what the hell this is. Freezing. What? That would have been a little bit easier earlier. Let's see. Waterbed. Okay. Until I do this. Yay. It's like the best drawing ever. That's a body. Pretend it is. I don't know how to. I'm now the host. I don't know how to draw a waterbed. I've never seen one. I don't know how to draw this, damn it. Try a word swap next time, okay? Whatever. You know how to do this! Oh no, so I don't have any friends. You guys should add me if you get this. It's a circle. I don't know what is this. What is this, bros? I'm so confused. No. Smoking. Oh, well, I'm gonna write cheater. Shush. I did nothing. I thought it was something else, like, honestly. I feel so stupid. Line. Jeez, calm down, bros. Playground. That'd be actually pretty funny if I got it. And I just, like, Bend over. I spelled that wrong. Bend over. I'm so confused. What the hell is this? This is not helping me. What is portraits? That is not a portrait. How do you get the portrait out of that? I'll do a ticket. Jeez. Ticket. Totally do this. It's like the best picture in the world. Ticket. It's a golden fucking ticket. It's a ticket! It's a flipping ticket. It's a magical ticket. Don't tell me it's not a ticket. It's a flipping ticket. Go, bros. I can't write the words. I can put admit one on it. Admit. Totally this. One. Someone got it. Alright. Winners got it. Yeah, it's not that flippin' hard. I don't know. Is it bikini? Oh wow, I just guessed and I already got it. Jeez Louise. God, I don't know how I got that. Boobies, really? Wow, that's nice. Ah! Man. The other person left. They have problems. We'll see. Okay, well, I'll continue later. Bye, bros.